swing back the Way to Win sweepstakes to celebrate. You can win a new Ford Raptor pickup and thousands of other prizes. Here's how it works. Every time you weigh on a cat scale between February 1st and June 1st, you'll have a chance to win prizes instantly. Visit waytowin.com, fill out a quick registration form, then enter your scale ticket number and the truck number on the ticket. You'll find out instantly if you've won a prize, and you'll be entered into the grand prize drawing for the new Ford Raptor. Enter all your cat scale weigh tickets for more chances to win. When you weigh with cat scale, you can take home a new Ford Raptor and other great prizes. Find out more at waytowin.com. No purchase necessary. Promotion is open only to legal residents of the 48 contiguous United States.